Hey guys, it's Amber, and I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough of my planning stages here for the 2024 Weekend Alive project. As you can see, I'm doing the 6x8 album this year. To start with, I have a 3-pocket page protector. I've got the main card here, and on the back one of the quote cards and the reason why. And then this die cut page here, I think it was part of the Me and You kit. Which I bought both the main kit and the mini kit. I saw Morgan Beal's intro that she shared on her Instagram page where she had photos of their whole family, and that was kind of something I had been thinking about doing as well. I just haven't actually put it together yet, but there's 5 of us in the family, and then I can put a photo of the 2 cats, so that'll work out perfectly. And I'll probably put some pattern paper on the back. And then I've got my transparencies already trimmed down and in the album. I liked how Allie had put her vellum pockets there. I don't know if I love all of the same fonts on top of each other, so I'm debating if that's where they're gonna go. And I also liked how she used the dip ahead here for a second. She put these daily cards on the back, and I liked the idea of doing that too, but I was not ready to commit, and if I do it I might use sticker paper, so wasn't ready to attach anything down, so that's why I have them set aside. I've got this 5x5 cardstock die here, die cut. Everything is in there ready to go. I'm considering maybe turning mine into pockets with some stitching and some vellum, and then tucking something inside if I need to, like a 4x4 photo or journaling, or it just thought it would be fun, look cute. Then here I have, instead of a 12 count 2x2 pocket page protector, hopefully you can see it here, these are ones that came out a little while ago. I'll check and see if I can link them if they're still on the website, but this is a 4x6 and then 6 pockets down below, and I think that will be enough for me daily to include the content. So I've got my 4x6 card here. I'm thinking about using weather for this, to put maybe number stickers for the high and low, and then maybe some weather stamps that I have, just to use some product that I've had. I don't always love including lows, and I don't feel like I'm going to have a low every day. So we'll see. But I've got the Me, You, and Us cards in here. And somewhere along the line, if I could make them work, I put these in here. And I pulled a little trick from Allie's book, and I put the chipboard banners and the transparent banners together, and then I included the colored heart. That doesn't necessarily mean it's going to go here, but it's just grouped together in a pocket. I also am not sure yet about where these are going, if they're going on photos or if they're going to go on the transparency. It doesn't really pop. It's hard to see. So right now they're just tucked into a 4x6 pocket somewhere to hold everything together. Right now, I also, let me pull this out. It's easier to see because everything's clear. Right now I have the divided page protector. That's the 2 vertical 3x8s. I have these slipped in here for now. I also had the idea to take the extra strips and stitch them together, probably alternating which direction they go. So, or I might use them as extra transparencies cut up. I haven't made that official decision yet either, which is why I just stuck them in here for now. But I like the opportunity to try to look for a strong vertical photo. I think trying to find 3 could be difficult, which is why I like the idea of stitching it and then using the transparency to put an embellishment on. I've got my coordinating half circles here. Right now I have all the colors facing forward, but if I change my mind, I can flip them around. And then I have a 4-pocket page protector. I tend to use a lot of 3x4s in these types of albums. So I have the daily card, and then if I can, a filler card tucked in somewhere. And then I have a coordinating die cut circle from that die cut page, and then keeps moving on for each day. So I'll just really quickly flip through. Here I have the currently tag for you and me. I put it on Tuesday because generally Mondays have so much content. I figured Tuesday might need a little boost. Here we are on Wednesday. So you can see I kind of alternated what side those are on. Here I had a piece of paper stuck left over, so I just kind of tucked it in there. And here I have one like facing the other direction. There was only 6 of these, so I think I skipped Wednesday because the colors didn't really coordinate. And I tucked them in everywhere else. So just continuing on here, we got Saturday. I love the pink and blue together. I think that one's really cute. Lots of blue. We got Sunday. And then here I put this as kind of like a way to finish up the week. So that's why I have that card tucked in there. And then in the very back here, I just have the extra page of projectors. I took one of these craft kind of like ephemera sort of pages from last year's kit and tucked that in here. I already punched the hole because I really liked how that came out in my 2023 album. And then I also cut down one of my envelopes so I can use that as pattern paper for the back or for somewhere else in the album. Not ready to commit punching holes there yet. So those are there. So for now, I'm happy with the selections. It just is like a jumping off point. Not everything has to stay exactly the same. So I've got my vellum pockets here. These are vellum strips that were left over from last year's kit that I never got to use, and the colors aren't identical, but I think I could maybe get away with using those. So I have still my leftover chipboard. I put washi tape on the back of mine so they don't fall out because it drives me bonkers. I still have the Dear You Love Me die cut. All of my transparency pieces. I do have the rest of my plastic flags and the pleather pieces. Not sure if they're going in this kit because there's plenty of things showing what day of the week it is. Got the strip tags, more vellum. These cards might go in as well. I just haven't stuck them in the pockets yet. The pleather ampersands and the bold titles. So that's where we're at for now. Obviously this is going to flex. I don't start working on my project until well after the week is over. But I'm also holding off on gluing anything down or doing anything permanent just because I always find myself like inspired by others. Like I said, with Morgan with her intro, or with Allie with the way she handled her vellum pockets. So hopefully I will continue to get inspired by other people. But for now, I'm really happy with it. And I actually really love the 4x6 with the 6 pockets. I think that's plenty. I can still include ephemera or a see-through pocket or, you know, transparency or something. And I think these will be just enough to either include notes or little mini photos. So should be fun. And I'm looking forward to the project. I still think that I'm going to be starting and ending the week of the 22nd instead of starting that week, just because I have more interesting stuff going on the previous week. But we'll see how it goes, and if I remember to start taking photos on the 15th. So I can't wait to see how everyone else's projects come out, and let me know if you have any questions or what you think. Bye for now.